In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur part of a picture in Canva. If you've ever needed to hide private information, soften a distracting background area, blur a face, or cover something like a license plate inside Canva, this is a very useful tool to know. A lot of people assume they need separate photo editing software for this, but Canva actually includes a built-in blur brush that makes the process much easier once you know where to find it. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without feeling lost. To begin, make sure you're working inside an actual Canva design. This is important because the image editing tools only fully appear when a project is open in the editor. From the Canva homepage, click Create a Design and choose the format you want to work with, such as a presentation, flyer, or social media post. If you already have a saved project, you can simply open that instead. The key is to get into the active editing workspace first. Once your design is open, bring your photo onto the canvas. On the left-hand side, use Uploads if you want to add your own image, or use Elements if you want to insert a stock photo. Drag the picture onto your page, then click on it once so it becomes selected. You should see the outline appear around the image, which confirms Canva is ready to edit that specific layer. Next, go to the top toolbar and click Edit Photo. This opens the image editing panel on the left side of the screen. This area gives you access to Canva's effects and adjustment tools, including the blur feature we need for this task. Now scroll through the editing options until you find blur, then click on it. At first, Canva may try to apply blur to the entire image. To blur only one part of the picture, switch from whole image to brush mode. This is the setting that gives you local control. You'll then see options to adjust brush size and intensity. Brush size controls how large your blur brush is, so match that to the area you want to cover. Intensity controls how strong the blur looks. If you're hiding something important, a stronger setting usually works better. After that, move your cursor over the image. It should now appear as a circular brush. Click and drag over the part of the photo you want to blur. Canva will apply the blur only where you paint, while keeping the rest of the image sharp. Take your time here and use smaller brush settings for more precise areas. When everything looks right, click the lock icon in the top toolbar to keep that element secured in place. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.